In this video I will tell you how can you record your PC's screen. So for recording you have to first download a software called OBS Studio. Now click on first link and then go to Windows if you have Windows. If you have Mac you can go for it, and for others. When you click on Windows it will start downloading. Just wait for it. As you can see, downloading has been completed, so double click it. It will install in your PC when you click on next. In my case I am recording the video with the help of OBS Studio, so it is showing that. So install it. Thank you.